In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Slap Battles Discord server in just a few easy steps. If you're trying to connect with other players, get updates, find announcements, or stay in the loop with the Slap Battles community, this guide will help you do it quickly and correctly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Discord on your device and sign in to your account. If you're not logged in yet, just enter your email and password, or use your usual login method until you reach the main Discord screen. Once you're inside Discord, look over to the left-hand side menu. You'll see several icons there, and what you want to click is the Discovery icon. This is the section that lets you search for public servers and find communities to join. After you click the Discovery icon, use the search bar and type in Slap Battles. Discord will start showing results related to that name, so take a moment to look through them carefully. What you want to do next is click the first result that has the most members. Usually the largest server is the main and most active Slap Battles community, so choosing the one with the highest member count helps you find the right place faster. Once you open that server preview, look at the top menu area and click Join Slap Battles. That's the button that sends your request or instantly adds you to the server, depending on the server settings. After that, give it a moment to load, and you should now be inside the official Slap Battles Discord server. From there, you can check the channels, read the rules, and start following updates from the community. That's all there is to it. You've now joined the Roblox Slap Battles Discord server using Discord Discovery. If this tutorial helped, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox and Discord guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.